guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited that you're here and I'm really excited to share this journey with you towards a healthier lifestyle. My channel is going to be all about green, clean, eco-friendly, natural living, and I will emphasize organizing, cleaning, beauty products, cleaning products, lifestyle, all that sort of stuff. And in my life, it's all about balance, so not everything that I use is 100% natural, at least not yet, and I'm moving towards that way, and I'm really excited to take you on that journey with me, if you so choose. So all of my videos are grouped together in different categories in the playlists tab, so you can check that out. And if you like a video, please give it a thumbs up, share any comments, suggestions, praise, etc. I'm open to it all in the comments section of each video. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos and you want to support my channel, please, please, please hit the red subscribe button. I would be eternally grateful. Once again, thanks for being here. I hope that you have a fun time with me on this channel and have a great day.